On the Business Library Research Guide, under Company Research, you will find a link to PrivCo. This is a great source for business and financial research for private companies. We're going to select PrivCo, and normally you'll have to select login, but I was already logged in. And here you'll be able to search for your companies up here at the top. You'll notice that after typing in HEB, it gives me all the different variations of it. We're going to go with the first one. And as we wait for this to load, you'll notice that you can also look at financials, funding, deals, and other signals. It'll give you classifications, descriptions, contacts, and you'll even have the option to download any of this material. It also will give you a map of the headquarters. Here we go. It gives you your classification as well as keywords to help search, years founded, and the latest valuation. But like I said, financials, funding, deals that they've made recently, and any signals for how they expect the growth to go for the next few years.